We use the horses as catalyst to work with special needs riders or at-risk kids. It helps improve their physical, cognitive, and emotional abilities.
It allows them to increase their mobility. Their self-confidence, I think, is very important. We had a patient come in last year, I believe. He was in a terrible car accident, was in a coma for like 6 months.
Drew's story starts when he was born. He was born a very wanted child, and Drew is a kid who lived life to the fullest, achieved at the highest, and then one night, it was an icy night, and he was on his way home and unfortunately hit a tree, and we spent a long time, months on end, in hospitals and rehab facilities while he lay in a coma for 5 months.
With the simulator that we have from a new project with Rose Holman, we were able to decrease muscle spasms by 99% within 5 minutes.
When we pull in and we see the word hope, that's our mantra, hope.
At Hope Haven, we depend on lots of contributions, corporate sponsors, or donations from the community. Probably 99% of our funding goes to scholarships.
His visions were always set high, and so we pull in and we say, there's hope. And it's a haven here. It is a haven of joy. It is a haven of, there's our people, and there's Drew's people. They are the Drew crew, the Drew team, and they cheer him on. Physically, he's better. Physically, he's stronger. He thinks faster.
We also need equipment to maintain the facility. That's very important also. We need to have a safe environment. We definitely need saddles, bridles, things we use on the horses. They take a beating, and we have to have the funds to replace and/or replenish our supply of equipment for the horses.